It's estimated that varicose veins will affect 20% of all adults at some point in their lives. The twisted, enlarged veins can frequently cause pain, itching and discomfort. Varicose veins happens in adults when blood in the veins flows in the wrong direction or settle out in the veins as a pool. The problems occur in legs and feet when the veins don't work properly. The problem does not call for medical attention unless there is pain and itching the legs causing discomfort. Medical procedures are now available to treat varicose veins, but if you want to avoid costly procedures, these home remedies might help. Watching this video till the end, you will get a clear idea how it will help you. So, without any further delay, let's get started.
Now I am going to show you few remedies for varicose vein. To prepare this remedy, we need garlic, orange, lemon and olive oil. First we are going to peel the skin of the garlic. We need 8 cloves. This garlic contains essential nutrients which can help with the treatment of many problems that frequently affect our health. It contains sulfur compounds which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect which benefits cardiovascular health. It has a vasodilator effect which helps to unblock the arteries in cases of accumulation of fats or narrowing. It activates the blood circulation and prevents the formation of clots, varicose veins and other inflammatory disorders. And it calms the sensation of tingling and bloating which is often caused by circulatory difficulties. It reduces pain in the lower part of the body because it helps to return the blood to the heart without so much difficulty. And now we are going to chop this garlic into fine pieces. We have to chop very finely. Chopping is not possible, then you can even grind them, not in the blender, in the mortar. You can just roughly grind it. We have to take a glass jar with a lid. Now I'm going to add this chopped garlic pieces to this glass jar. Now we have to grate the orange zest. We are going to take the lemon zest also. And we are taking teaspoon of the orange zest and lemon zest. We need only 1 teaspoon. We are going to add this zest to the garlic pieces. Now we will squeeze the lemon juice into a bowl. And next we are going to squeeze the orange juice also. This orange juice is an interesting complement for helping to control this problem. It relaxes the affected areas and reduces bloating, pain and the sensation of numbness that accompanies this condition. Moreover, it reduces liquid retention in the legs, a factor which is related to circulatory difficulties. In addition to this, it acts as a tonic for the skin, helping to conserve its elasticity and firmness. And now we are going to add this orange juice and lemon juice. And to this, either you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons. I'm just adding 2 teaspoons. This olive oil will improve the passage of blood through the veins and restore the function of the unidirectional valves. Now we have to shake this and we have to let this jar sit for 10 to 12 hours without any disturbing. After 10 to 12 hours, rub this treatment on the affected area for 5 to 8 minutes to increase the absorption of the nutrients. After this, wrap the area in cling film or any cloth without squeezing it too much. Leave it for 40 minutes and after 40 minutes, rinse it. Repeat the remedy each night before going to bed for at least 3 times a week. Its effects are not immediate, but following several applications, you will start to feel an improvement. For this reason, it is important to be consistent with applying it in order to achieve satisfactory results in less time. To prepare our next remedy, we need carrot, apple cider vinegar and aloe vera gel. To prepare this, first we want carrot. Here I have taken half carrot and we need to grate this carrot. These carrots are an excellent source of the beta carotene, an antioxidant that prevents premature aging, and fight skin discoloration. Carrots are also a great complement to other varicose vein treatments because they stimulate better blood flow and reduce inflammation. Here is our grated carrot, and now we are going to squeeze the juice from it. And here is the carrot juice. It is nearly 1 tablespoon, and for this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, it reduces the size of affected veins and provides relief from pressure and feelings of heaviness. This apple cider vinegar is a nutritious, invigorating and powerful food with anti-inflammatory compounds that are excellent for this treatment. We'll just keep it aside. And next we are going to take aloe vera gel. Here I am using fresh aloe vera leaf. This aloe vera gel is one of the key ingredients. It is well known in the cosmetic industry for its rich nutritional properties and moisturizing qualities. It also has anti-inflammatory and vasodilating effects that will decrease the size of the affected veins and promotes better blood flow. We have to extract the aloe vera juice, and here is our aloe vera gel. And now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. We have to mix all the 3 ingredients. Together of these ingredients make an incredible natural varicose vein treatment, but it takes a little bit of time to mix all the 3 because aloe vera gel, it doesn't mix very soon. We have to mix like this. Before applying this cream to the affected area, you have to exfoliate your leg before you apply the treatment to ensure it is readily absorbed. Now spread the cream on the affected area using a gentle massage from the ankle to the calves. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes before rinsing with cold water, and repeat this application every day by following the same steps. As you can see, there is no need to invest in expensive commercial treatments to deal with this common problem. If you follow this natural varicose vein treatment on regular basis, you will notice improvements in no time.
Did you find this video helpful? Give a thumbs up. If you already subscribed, please hit the bell button for latest videos. What type of remedy would you like to see in the next video? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.